National Security Advisor Ajit Doval reached Beijing for talks on Wednesday between the special representatives of the two countries. China said on Tuesday it is ready to work with India to deliver on important common understandings reached between our two leaders and enhance mutual trust and mutual confidence. China's Foreign Minister Wang Yi will represent Beijing at the special representative level talks. Responding to a query on the talks, Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Lin Jian told the media, and I quote, China stands ready to work with India to deliver on important common understandings reached between our two leaders, enhance mutual trust and mutual confidence through dialogue and communication, honor our commitments, and promote our bilateral relations to get back to the sound and steady growth. The Chinese Foreign Ministry statements did not make any reference to the military standoff along the line of actual control in eastern Ladakh, now in its fifth year, but focused on important common understandings and honored commitments, a reference to the border patrolling arrangement announced on October 21 and the subsequent meeting between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chinese President Xi Jinping on the sidelines of the BRICS summit in Kazan, Russia on October 23. Doval and Wang will hold the 23rd round of talks between the special representatives. They are expected to discuss a range of issues to rebuild bilateral ties, which dived south following Chinese incursions in eastern Ladakh in 2020. This SR-level meeting comes less than a fortnight after India and China held official-level talks in New Delhi, following troop disengagement at two friction points along the LAC in eastern Ladakh. On Monday night, the Ministry of External Affairs said, and I quote, as agreed during the meeting of the two leaders in Kazan on October 23rd, the two SRs will discuss the management of peace and tranquility in the border areas and explore a fair, reasonable, and mutually acceptable solution to the boundary question. For more updates, keep watching the Indian Express.